The SECUNORM 500 from MARTOR is the safety knife for a wide range of applications. It has a double-sided slider and is therefore suitable for both right and left-handers. To cut, pierce, thumb away from the slider. At the end, the blade retracts. Plastic strapping band is best cut at a 45-degree angle. For pallet film, begin at the top and cut downwards. Also, when cutting tape, pierce, thumb away, cut. You have the flexibility to change hands whenever required. Important: never place your free hand on the cutting path. To remove flaps, pierce, thumb away from the slider. And never cut directly towards you. At the end, the blade automatically retracts. The same applies when removing a lid. Pierce, thumb away from the slider and cut. Don't forget, never cut directly towards you. At the end, the blade retracts. The SECUNORM 500 is also highly suited for making window cuts. It has a cutting depth of up to 17 millimeters. In hard-to-access locations, hold the handle at an angle for best results. For power cuts, use both hands. Turn the blade around to get a fresh cutting edge. Press the blade change button and pull out the plastic insert from the rear. Important: do not touch the cutting edge. Always touch the blade at the blunt side. Open the blade cover using the blade. Remove the blade, turn it, and replace it exactly on the location lobe. Close the cover and reinsert everything. Let the blade change button snap into place. And test once to finish. When both cutting edges have been used, replace the blade. Press the blade change button and pull out the insert. Open the cover and remove the blade. Always change your blades in time. And dispose of immediately in the used blade container, as replacements only use MARTOR blades. Replace it exactly on the location lobe. The magnet in the blade carrier provides additional hold. Push the plastic insert back into the handle and let it snap into place. Test once to finish. Before cleaning the knife, remove the blade and place down safely. Tap out and blow out to remove dust and dirt. At the end, test once and then return to the MARTOR belt holster. Feel free to use our other media as well, for example our safety poster. And follow the instructions in the user manual.